Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be making my homemade chicken noodle soup. Let's cook. We're going to start by heating some olive oil in our pot, and then I'm using one bone-in chicken breast, and I'm going to sear it skin side down for about 3 minutes until the skin crisps up and has this beautiful brown color. When that happens, go ahead and take it out, set it aside, and we're going to add in the onions, our celery, and carrots. I like to sprinkle on some salt just to help the vegetables release that moisture, and then I'm just going to saute them around for about 6 minutes. Now add in the garlic, some minced garlic, and we're just going to saute that for 30 seconds. Now toss in a bay leaf and some fresh basil leaves, a little Italian seasoning, and place our chicken back into the pot. Now add in the water and also some chicken bouillon cubes to jack up that chicken flavor. We need to bring it up to a simmer, and as it starts to heat up, you'll see some scum, this foam that forms on the surface of the liquid. It's just from the protein in the chicken, so don't worry about that. Try to skim it off as much as possible and then simmer the soup uncovered for at least 30 minutes or until the chicken is falling apart like that, and then take the chicken out and shred it. You can also remove the basil and bay leaf at this time, and we want to taste the broth and season it to taste with salt and pepper, but I also like to add onion and garlic powders as well. Now we need some noodles. Just go ahead and pour in your egg noodles and cook it according to package instructions as far as timing. When that's done, add your shredded chicken back in, and cookies, you have wellness in a bowl. My chicken noodle soup recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. I hope you enjoyed this soup. It was so good. I wasn't feeling the best, still not feeling quite so well, but this soup helped so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Until next time, be blessed.